Good day to you traders. It is Wednesday, April 13th, 2022. We're looking at a cherry bomb from Tasty Trade again. Of course, we're looking at Bank of America, which is at near its bottom Bollinger Band. You're about to see that if you stay with me, right? Because we're looking at doing a simulated trade today. A short put. Bank of America has a liquidity rank of 4. It drops out of 4. You can see that over there. And an IV rank of 60. So it's highly liquid. Got a lot of juicy IV. Oh, and by the way, it's an earnings trade. They have earnings coming up on Monday. So if you're a fan of earnings trades, then this one's for you. So if you're still interested, stick with me. If not, you have a wonderful day. All right, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. You can see we're inside of Thinkorswim's simulated trading. So that if you were ever interested in proving a risk-free way to prove to yourself whether or not you can be profitable trading options over time, well, this is the ticket. Hopefully you'll join. Stick with us to the end of this video because it does help me so much when you watch these videos to the end. All right, so you can see here we're near that bottom Bollinger Band here. And not only that, we're pretty close to the 52-week low of $36.51. A short put that we're looking at is going to be a short $35 strike, which is below that 52-week low, which is cool. But we do have earnings coming up, so is it going to be more falling knife action? I don't know. That's right, because nobody knows anything. But let's go ahead and analyze the trade as it was sent to us. And I do have an alternative, another incentive to hopefully have you stick around to the end. All right, let's go to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. I already have the trade cooked up, all cooking show style. We're going to be in the May 27th weeklies with this, which is 44 days to expiration as of today, the 13th, right? And where we are, here's the 35 strike. So on the put side, left click on the bid. We're looking at an 8-cent wide bid-ask spread. That's not all that amazing, and only 7 open interest. So you should be able to go 4 pennies higher on this one. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 73 cents should be the profit we should be able to collect. But you may have to adjust based on how the market moves when it opens. All right. With that, let's go ahead and choose the risk profile sub-tab here. And I have to adjust this slightly now that we pennied up our fill price. Limit order, I'm going to go ahead and click this little menu button right here. You can't see it, so let me tell you what it says. It says set slices. I'm going to go to that one. I'm going to go to break even, and I'm going to choose the blue date. That's 5/28. Make sure the date in the top right also says 5/28, which matches the blue date over here, 5/28. And now we've got our price slice set to exactly where this blue line crosses the $0 axis. That's our break even at expiration. So we have a 78.7% probability of making a profit at expiration with this particular cherry bomb trade. If you like getting cherry bomb trades from Tasty Trade, go down to the description. You'll see a bit.ly link there. That'll take you to their email sign-up page where you can sign up for all of their emails or none of them. It's up to you. You don't have to do any of it. This is all educational, right? And honestly, they don't really spam. They'll send you emails about like specials about, hey, refer a friend, that kind of stuff. But, otherwise, they're just happy to have you. All right. Anyway, with that said, we now know what our probabilities are. We know that we can make a maximum of $73 on this trade over the next 44 days if we go with this expiration. What's our max loss? Our max loss is going to be our strike price, which was 35 minus the credit received. And you can always see that, by the way, by right-clicking your trade, choosing confirm and send, and you'll see a screen like this. Max profit $73, max loss $3,427. So I'm going to go ahead and say, if you'd like, let's go ahead and put this into, I'm going to put in the IRA account. Let's go ahead there. Now, the alternative that I have in mind is already put in the Tastyworks, so let me go over and show you that alternative. So there's Bank of America. There's that 4 stars. I call them drops because I think of liquidity. I think of drops, not stars. All right. So here it is. Instead of it being in the May 28th weeklies, I like the monthlies with 37 days to expiration, same strike. Instead of collecting 73, though, we should be able to collect $60. We do have a 82% probability of profit according to Tastyworks here, and a 91% probability of making 30 bucks, 50% of that max profit, somewhere in the next 37 days. And you know that that's the mechanic that they have research that shows taking your profits at 50% or 21 days to expiration. That's the time to manage your trades. Right? So I kind of like this one. So let's go ahead and put that back into Thinkorswim. So, but this time, instead of the IRA, let's go back to the margin. Instead of being in the weeklies, let's go to the monthlies. And then 35. There that is. Let's compare what we get. So let's say 60 cents. And then risk profile. Change that to the 21st. That slices to break even. 80% probability of profit at expiration. That's some good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and right-click the trade, confirm and send. And not shockingly, we're looking at a very similar max profit, max loss. But what was the difference? I'm going to go ahead and hit send. To me, a big difference is look at that open interest, right? Tighter bid-ask spread here. 3-cent bid-ask spread and 19,000 open interest. So being able to get in, get out, that's why we're here in the market, right? All right. That's not one. It's one of the reasons. It's why the market's so attractive, I should say. All right. You made it this far into my video. I do appreciate you so much. So much that I'll give you a real thumbs up. There is a fake, there is a real button down there for the thumbs up. If you hit that, that'd be awesome. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, that'll be there for you if and when you decide you want to join us. I hope you found some value in this video today. I'd love to know which trade you prefer, which expiration, etc. If you're doing anything different, love to hear from you in the comments. There's no judges here. All right, until I see you next time, everybody, may the market be with you.